Most bowling center owners hear the words cyber insurance and assume it doesn't apply to you. Cyber is a tech company problem, a hospital problem. We're a bowling center. We don't have anything that anybody wants. It's actually wrong, and the data shows it's wrong. Small businesses, including hospitality and entertainment venues, are becoming a favorite target of cyber criminals and other bad actors because, frankly, you're softer targets than enterprises that are better prepared. Your center has at least 4 cyber exposures, and any one of them can become a 6-figure claim. Exposure number 1, your point of sale system. Every credit card swipe through your POS, your bar register, your shoe rental terminal is a potential breach point. POS malware is a multi-billion-dollar criminal industry. The hackers don't target you specifically. They target every POS running a known software vulnerability, and they hit thousands of small businesses at once. You may not even know that you've been breached for months, and by then, thousands of customers have had their card information stolen. When that breach is traced back to you, the cost is not just the cards. It's the forensic investigation, the notification letters to every affected customer, the credit monitoring offered to every one of those customers, the fines from card brands like Visa and MasterCard, and yes, the lawsuits. A typical small business POS breach costs between $50,000 and $300,000 by the time it's resolved. Exposure number 2, your customer Wi-Fi. Nearly every bowling center offers customer Wi-Fi. If your customer Wi-Fi shares a network with your business systems, your POS, your back office computer, your security cameras, you have a big problem. A criminal can sit in your parking lot, connect to your guest Wi-Fi, and pivot to your internal systems relatively easily. Cyber insurance covers the response. The fix is to segment your network so guest Wi-Fi cannot touch business systems. Exposure number 3, your league rosters and customer database. You probably have thousands of names, email addresses, phone numbers, and sometimes birthdays, sometimes payment information stored in your league management software, your email marketing tool, your party booking system. That database has real value to criminals, and you have a real responsibility for protecting it. Many states now have privacy laws that require notification and remediation if customer data is compromised, and the requirements are not optional. Exposure 4, ransomware. This is the one that puts centers out of business for weeks. A criminal gets into your systems, encrypts every file, and demands payment, usually in Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrency, to unlock them. Your scoring system goes down, your reservations go down, your accounting goes down. Even if you pay the ransom, recovery takes time. And if you don't pay, you may lose the data permanently. Average ransomware demands for small businesses are now in the tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands range. And operational losses while you're down are often larger than the ransom itself. What does cyber insurance actually cover? First, the response, the forensic investigation who figures out what happened, the IT consultants who restore your systems, the lawyers who handle regulatory notifications. These services are expensive and slow if you're paying out of pocket, fast and bundled if you have cyber coverage. Second, the third-party costs, lawsuits from customers whose data was stolen, fines from regulators and card brand companies. Third, business interruption. The income you lose while your systems are down. This is often the biggest line item, and many cyber policies cover it. Fourth, ransom payment. If you decide to pay, most cyber policies will cover the payment, subject to the limit and certain restrictions. So what does cyber insurance not cover? Bad technology hygiene is first. If you haven't patched your systems or run updates in 3 years, if your passwords are post-it notes on the monitor, if you have no backups, the carrier may deny coverage on the grounds that you failed basic care. Cyber insurance is not a substitute for cybersecurity. It is a backstop for when security fails despite reasonable effort. If you don't have cyber coverage, get a quote immediately. The premiums for a typical bowling center are a few $100s on the low end or a few $1,000s annually. The exposure is in the hundreds of thousands. The math is not even close, folks. If your insurance agent isn't talking with you about these exposures, you may want to hire a professional who empowers you to make smarter decisions about your insurance. RiskWell is proud to be endorsed by the BPAA as an insurance partner for members across the country. Check the link below to connect with us, or you can call our office at 469-678-8001. Talk to you soon.